Welcome back, guys. Today I have the MyLockMe BB bag, which is a smaller version of the MyLockMe bag. So let's get started. We have our nice little Louis Vuitton box, as usual. Let's go ahead and move the gift card out of the way. Nice little bow. I always hate to undo these because I can never get them quite back the same as they do in the store. But it's necessary to get inside. Okay, let's clean this up. All right, let's go ahead and open up the box. So inside we have our dust bag. It's very important to keep the bag in the dust bag when it's not being used because it gives the leather its own air so it can naturally breathe. And here is the bag. So we chose to get this cream in tan color. We actually had to get it special ordered because it was sold out and stored online, and luckily they were able to order one for us. It took about 3 weeks to do. And this bag is all leather, as I mentioned, so it has a nice little leather grain, as you can see, a nice leather feel to it. See the LV on the front. If I go around back, see again all leather, nice little zipper pocket. So the first thing we'll do is I'll flip it back around, move the dust bag out of the way, and there's some little plastic on the metal that I'll try to get off. Perfect. There's another piece on the clasp. There we go. And then on the back, also some plastic on the zipper. So let me take that off. It's a nice little LV on the zipper. I think that's a nice little touch. Okay, so let's take a peek inside. The bag opens by just turning this little oval at the front. We'll do that and open her up. Inside we have a nice little microfiber padding, really nice and soft, so it won't scratch anything you put inside. Now inside we obviously have the strap, so let me just move this back. Nice little chain here, really classy. Let's go back inside. So inside we have one big compartment. So good for maybe small wallet, car keys, phone, etc. On the back, we have the Louis Vuitton name mark there. And then inside, there's a little small pocket here, and maybe this is a better place for your keys. So this is where they've kept their care booklet and all the associated paperwork. So I'll put this off to the side. Yeah, so this is a nice little compartment, probably for keys so they don't bounce around or other small objects. And then in the front, there's also a little small compartment. And they have the price tag in here, so let me put that away. For some other small objects, just so you can keep things a little bit organized. Let's go close this up. And on the back, there's a zipper compartment. We'll open that up. Inside, the same lining as the interior, nice and soft. So I guess some of your less frequently used items can go in here. So this is the surprise I mentioned was coming. We didn't think that we would be able to get it still, but we were pleasantly surprised that they were able to order it for us. and it just came in tonight. So this is a nice little compact bag. I have to say, I'm not going to be the primary user of this, but I certainly like the look of it. I certainly like the size. It's nice and compact. And that's the MyLockMe BB. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.